Hi there, today I am going to teach you how to create this cool effect in Adobe Photoshop step by step. So without any further ado, let's jump into the Photoshop. First, create a new file of the required size. Unlock the background from the layers panel by clicking on the lock symbol. Then select the gradient of your choice from the gradient panel. If you want, you can use a colorful background instead of a gradient. I am applying this gradient from the blue gradient group. Next, select the type tool and type your text. Enlarge the text as needed. Now, right click on the text layer and select convert to a smart object so that you can change the text later. If you want, set the fill of the text layer to 0 and make another copy. Double click on the right side of the text layer above. Here, check bevel and emboss and set the depth value to 100, size value to 20 and soften value to 3. Set the angle and altitude values to 90 and 30. In glass contour, select this one. Select white in the highlight mode color box because it represents the highlight of the effect. In shadow mode, select a darker color that matches the background color. Hit OK. Inside contour, select this one and set the range value to 60. Next, check inner shadow and select a darker color that matches the background. Hit OK. Set the opacity value to 30, distance value to 0, choke value to 55 and size value to 45. Then check the drop shadow and select a darker color that matches the background in the color box. Set the opacity to 30, distance value to 22, aspect value to 0 and size value to 57. Click on the plus icon on the drop shadow layer to add another drop shadow. Set the opacity to 25, distance value to 40, aspect value to 15 and size value to 75. Hit OK. Now double click on the right side of the text layer below. Check bevel and emboss and contour. Insert bevel and emboss. Set the depth value to 335, size value to 150, soften value to 5 and hit OK. Finally, our text effect is ready. To make any changes to text, double click on the thumbnail of any text layer. Here, if you make any changes and press Ctrl+S to save, the main effect will be updated. Save the file for use later. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.